The secret to being a successful entrepreneur is what?
I would say the number one thing is not giving up. I mean, people look for reasons to give up or they get knocked down and they're like, well, I tried. And I'll tell you right now, like, I don't even know. I mean, I've been knocked down so many times I couldn't even. I mean, you asked me to tell you about it, I can't even tell you. I mean, it's so many times. But like I said, you get knocked down, you dust up, you get a little stronger. I mean, you keep charging the hill. I mean, every time you charge the hill, you get a little bit farther up it. And I would say that that's probably number one. I would
Mhm.
say number two for me was meeting people. I mean, there's no end to people that are in the same boat as you. And like you
Mhm.
can talk to those people and share with those people and learn from those people and they want to learn from you too. So you want to be successful, talk to other successful people and try to build a model that's right for you,
Mhm.
but using the knowledge you gain from them. And along with even meeting people, is just build relationships. Like
Yeah.
I mean, I have group texts that go on every day with four other laundry owners, and they're all multi-store owners. So
Mhm.
this is like a peer group for me. Like, and we actually sometimes it may go 3 days and there won't be like two or three text messages, but there could literally be 100 text messages in the same day when there's a
Mhm.
topic that a bunch of people that someone brings up and they want to talk about. So
Yeah.
I mean, you don't have all the answers. Like even today, I don't. I mean, I mean, I'd be lying if I say that I know. I would say I know more than probably 80% of the people in the industry do, and I say that not trying to be arrogant. It's a matter of fact. But I still have 20% I could learn, right? So,
Mhm.
and the industry is evolving and it's changing. So, like I said, I don't even care if it comes off angry as arrogant because it's true. Like I
Mhm.
said, it's not bragging if you can do it, right? So
Right.
I'm just saying but I wasn't there. And the truth is, there could be some changes that happen in this industry, or money could come in and start doing big deals and buying, up big swaths of land. And then I won't know what's going on, and then I'm gonna have to learn how to adjust my tactics. And then maybe I only know 40% of what's going on, and I got to figure out who the hell does know what's going on and learn from them, right? So,
Right.
I
Right.
mean, I would just say it's a snapshot in time right now. Like I might be on top now, but 10
Mhm.
years there could be wild changes, and then if I'm not
Mhm.
keeping up with it,
Mhm.
then I'm behind.